Hi all you YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. Summer is on its way and some beautiful things are happening, my friends. First of all, this is a 5-cent hack and this works great. I've been doing this for the last 18 years. Here we go. $10 bottle, Home Depot. This one here is chlorine liquid. It's the same that are in your swimming pools. Basically, this bottle here will last you anywhere from 3 to 5 years on it. It costs usually about 5 cents per treatment on this here. For 18 years, we have been using this here on our last 2 spas. It works fantastic. Then, what we do once a month, this filter, we take the garden hose, we hose it down, clean it, make sure that it's all, take about 5 or 10 minutes, do a really good cleaning on it just with regular water, and then we change our water every quarter. So it's 4 times a year, we're cleaning it out, changing the water, we're using the full chlorine on it. And it also too, if you have any doubts about this, look at your expensive bottles that you have your test kits for the pH and everything else. You will find the main ingredient is chlorine used on swimming pools. So goodbye for now. Enjoy your summer. Have a blessed day. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now. Good morning, all YouTubers out there coming from Southern California here. Beautiful sunny day, and I have this hack that I've been using for 18 years now. How to keep your spa, your hot tub looking crystal clear. It is just one chemical. It costs 5 cents a treatment, and basically if you make a $10 investment on this here, you can keep your hot tub looking clean, sparkling, fantastic for over 3 years. Check out my other videos for other hacks and everything else too in part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the day, and let's all have a fantastic and happy summer. Take care and blessings, and goodbye for now.